Guys, if you're looking for a trustworthy wealth management company, then you should watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Edengate Group. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It presents a modern user-centric website experience, guys, that reflects both professionalism and trust. With a clean layout and intuitive navigation, users like us can easily explore essential sections like the trading platforms, you have the account types, and the FAQs, which makes this platform accessible to both novice and experienced traders. Now, at its core, Edengate Group is committed to simplifying and streamlining the investment process. So what it means, guys, is they are making the investment process seamless and hassle-free. So through a blend of educational resources, AI-assisted trading tools, and a very responsive customer support, this platform empowers users, especially the beginners, to trade with confidence. Now, the inclusion of flexible account options, which also is ranging from the beginner to the professionals, this allows users to select the plans that match their experience level and each with tailored benefits such as a tighter spread or dedicated account managers and priority support. So, Edengate Group, guys, also provides access to a wide range of asset classes, which also includes currencies, commodities, indices, and stock. Which, guys, the best thing about this one are all are from a unified interface. You don't have to log into another interface, log into another trading platform for separate types of trading. All are going to be in one trading platform already. So the multi-asset accessibility also ensures diversified trading opportunities for users of all skill levels. All right, so if you're a beginner or if you're a pro, you do not have to worry about that because they are catering to both of those. Now, the platform has actually garnered attention in major industry publications like the Binance Square and the Coin Market Cap. Let me show that to you right now. So write this one. Binance Square, guys. Edengate Wealth Management ensures fast order execution for smooth transactions. And I would strongly suggest, guys, that you include this one in your own research because this one will also help you out in getting to know more about them. All right. And another one is from CoinMarketCap. So EdengateWealth.com management provides powerful tools and analytics for accuracy. And this one is also another good read that will help you out in getting to know more about them. Okay, so the company details, you have their email address, and you have the company address here as well, that they are based in Switzerland. And guys, you might also want to read the review that they have. So this is the review that they have in Trustpilot, guys. This is one thing that I would encourage you to go ahead and check out as well, because here you would know what are the user sentiments about them. And another one is the one that they have with reviews.io. So this is also going to give you an idea on who they are, what are the reviews of the people that has been using them for quite some time already. So they are highly rated on those platforms. And guys, its AI-powered micro-trading system is particularly attractive for entry-level investors, which also offers low-risk exposure and the potential for steady returns, which makes it an ideal choice for those that are looking to explore the world of trading with confidence. And guys, I would also, of course, encourage you to check out their documentation. So if you click on this one, so if you click on documentation, it will take you directly to this. Okay, lots of good reads here as well. So legal information, disclaimer, you have client agreements, regulations for non-trading operations, privacy, the refund policy, and the AML and KYC policy that they have. So you have the tools, okay, the companies, the account types. Let me go ahead and click on that one. That way you could also go ahead and check that out real quick. Okay, so this, they have the gold, the platinum, and the diamond with all the respective details here already. So you could go ahead and start with gold with 10,000 pounds, which offers all the ones that are under that. And then the platinum goes here. It's going to show you the ones that are not included and the ones that are going to be included here in the platinum as well as the diamond. And then you have the plan your estate, the wealth reserve, and the contacts are there as well. So if you are looking for wealth management and all of that, this is the place to go to for you to be able to check it out and see what are they offering. All right, so again, guys, you can go ahead and check out Edengate Group. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Again, do your own research, of course. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions with your investments. If you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.